Hey Lawn Dogs, Jeff Foster, owner of Lawn Care, owner of LawnCare.com. Hey, we went and did a little work this last week on the graveyard. I'm going to show you that footage here today. We were under lockdown when that happened, and we just went out and got it done because the lawyer said we could do it because it's government property. So check out that footage. Hey, like, subscribe, check out the channel. Also check out the Mowers for Vet Facebook page and Instagram and stuff like that. You can find them just by searching Mowers for Vets. But yeah, check it out and stick around because I got more news at the end of this video. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Fallen Dogs, I hope you liked that video of the graveyard. You can see Betty behind me. She is doesn't have the magnet on right now because we were out doing the graveyard, and you know, we're not supposed to be, but the lawyer said we could. Anyway, what are you doing? Look at her, she dyed her hair red. Anyway, I want to show you this. Let me flip this camera around because Betty is not getting done, but let me show you old red here. Oh, look at that. Old red. I don't know, I think they call this one Big Red.
Can I drive her?
No, you can't drive it.
Why?
Look at that, it looks sharp. Right there, we gotta get the other one done yet, but right now we gotta get this done, one at a time, unfortunately. But this one's ready to rock and roll. Rock and roll. Hey, so anyway, Mowers for Vets yesterday had his first fundraising event on Shane DLT Lawn Care's channel, and it was a complete success. We raised $2,300 on that live stream alone. The PayPal account is below in this description, the link is, and on his video still from then. And also you can go to our website, Facebook page, Instagram, Mowers for Vet, and we can get you that information. It's posted all over on those things. So we're still taking donations for that. The Mowers for Vet thing is something that I am very passionate about, and it's going to be a great success, and I'm going to make sure it is. So check it out. Look into it. If you want to donate, please do. There's a PayPal link, like I said, in one of those things, and you can absolutely donate. And there's actually a link in this description too of this video and all my videos from now on. So, hey, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Except maybe her. It's Floyd. I'm out.